In this video from the Device Doctor channel, we review the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500, a printer built for outstanding quality and efficiency. With 6 ink bottles instead of cartridges, it can print up to 6,000 pages on plain paper or 3,200 high-quality photos.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Key features: print quality and durability. With its Claria ET Premium's 6-color ink, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp text. Prints last up to 200 years on photo paper. It prints a 4x6-inch photo in 15 seconds. Media support. It handles various media, including borderless photos, CDs, DVDs, and cardstock up to 1.3 mm thick. Connectivity and ease of use. Features a 4.3-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity. You can control it via the Epson Smart Panel app. Ink efficiency. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500 uses a 6-color Claria ET Premium ink system to deliver up to 2,300 vivid photos per set of bottles. This design reduces waste and keeps costs low, making it ideal for stunning, affordable photo prints. Conclusion: the Epson EcoTank Photo ET-8500 is a cost-effective, versatile printer ideal for photo and creative printing.